feed system on the Baby Lock Accomplish is a very unique system. So when I lower my presser foot, you'll notice that this tiny little pin shows up. And what this pin's purpose is to help or assist in guiding the fabric as it's coming off of the feed dogs. You can see it sitting right behind that set of feed dogs. To activate the pin feed system, I'm going to simply move the feed dog adjustment dial from the green setting to the red setting. And as I do this, you'll see the little pin pop into position. The pin feed system on the Baby Lock Accomplish makes handling those specialty fabrics such as velveteen and velvets just simply a breeze.